Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the new Harley-Davidson Nightster Special 2023. So make sure to watch the full video. The new 2023 Harley-Davidson Nightster Special looks to be a model for the masses, with more friendly ergonomics and passenger accommodations. We tested the Harley-Davidson Nightster on its debut. So let's now take a look at what makes the special version different from the standard Nightster, and remind ourselves what is carryover. The 2023 Harley-Davidson Nightster Special gets the same Revolution Max 975T powerplant as the standard Nightster. It's a liquid-cooled V-twin with plenty of torque, making it a fun motorcycle to ride around town and in the local twisties. There are 3 press-it ride modes, and the rider can create custom modes to taste. Cruise control is standard. The Nightster Special has ergonomics that will allow for longer rides. Thanks to a new 5-inch handlebar riser and a new handlebar, the Nightster Special's grips are moved 2 inches higher and an inch closer to the rider. The result is a more upright seating position for the rider. There's a separate seat and footpegs for the passenger. The Harley-Davidson Dunlop tires are mounted on cast aluminum wheels. A tire pressure monitoring system makes sure you know what the pounds per square inch is. ABS, traction control, and electronic engine braking control are standard. The round 4-inch TFT dash can be paired via Bluetooth to your smartphone. When used with the Harley-Davidson app for Android or iOS, the dash displays either a moving map or turn-by-turn instructions, rider's choice. When hooked up to a helmet communications device, the system allows the rider to listen to music, as well as place or receive phone calls, all with voice commands. A powered USB port makes sure your smartphone is always ready to go. Brembo braking is employed, front and rear. The 320mm disc is grasped by a 4-piston caliper, not radially mounted, while the rear 260mm disc is modulated by a floating single-piston caliper. All the lighting is LED. You have 4 color choices: black denim, vivid black, bright billiard blue, and industrial yellow. The tank also gets AMF-inspired striping. Prices start at $14,999. What do you think about the new Harley-Davidson Nightster Special 2023? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.